What are you doing?
I'm crushing.
What are you crushing?
This.
Tell me the name. What is this? Ginger.
Ginger.
Take it. Keep it here.
Black.
Put it here.
Put
in here.
boom.
What is this? Black pepper.
Black pepper. Doom.
This is clove.
Clove. Doom.
And this is pestle and mortar. Add all of this. We are making tea. What we are making? Tea. Pestle and mortar. Crush it. Very good. Mama will do it. Ah.
Tea leaves.
Tea leaves.
Tea leaves.
What is this?
Sugar.
Sugar. We are boiling water. Add ginger, clove, black pepper and tea leaves. Add sugar. What we are doing? Adding sugar. What? Sugar. We'll do, Vivaan. Let it boil. What?
Let it boil.
Let it boil. What happened? Vivaan? It's boiling over. Say?
It's boiling. It's boiling over.
We'll keep it in sim and let it boil for some time.
It's some milk.
Milk. M for?
Milk.
We will add milk.
Yes.
Add milk.
Yes.
Now the tea is almost ready. Okay, Vivaan, tell me what is this?
Cup.
Plate.
Cup. Strainer.
And this, what snack are you going to have in evening? What is this? What is the name of the snack?
Punga.
पोंगे को क्या बोलते हैं?
Salty pie.
Now we are straining tea. What we are doing, Vivaan?
Tea.
Straining tea.
Straining tea.
Be aside. दूध है ना, hot है. It's very hot. Straining tea. Who will have this tea?
Nana.
Nana ji. Very good. Bye bye.
Bye bye.